Prankosh. It's more than 6 months together with Pranky. Oh. Or maybe a little bit less than 6 months. Oh, it's almost 6 months. I think it's 6 months. My friends, today I want to give you throwback for Sunday special because, you know, there is still many videos what I want to get to my channel from the previous one, and one of the most important for me and for us is when we got this little guy. And this video is for me and for Domisha very important, and we want to definitely have it on our channel. So now you will see the day first when we saw him for the first time, and then when we get him at home. If you already saw that, just remember with us, and if you haven't seen that, now you got it. Let's go! Hello.
Hello.
Shall we go?
Yes, of course.
It's terrible now, because if you have small kitten in your hand, it's hard to resist. Oh my gosh. The smallest one, he was called New Young Lover, and he was sleeping in our hand.
Yeah, so sweet.
It's hard to resist. Cat breed is called Burmila. Should we take this lovely boy? Should we? Should we? Yes. Oh, hello guys, good morning, how are you?
Hello, good morning.
And who is here? Who is this?
Hello.
It's my brother. I made it, it's my job. Great news today, because we are going to pick up our kitten. And we
Still don't have
we still don't have the name. It's still Nia or Pranky, so maybe we will. Ourselves. This is here. And let's go. Oh my gosh, see the belt! See the belt! My friends, we got our new kitten. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Nia, Pranky, Rosh. But come on, I don't like when he's in cage. Come on, we gotta go. Don't worry. I don't have still name, but we will decide later. So he's a little bit scared. Come here. He's scared, or he's comfortable. Come here. Come here. Ah, he's scared. I think he's scared. You have to wait a little bit. He needs some time. He's coming. First step on our floor. Look how he's scared. Oh my god. He's so scared. Hey. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. We are just here, waiting what's gonna happen. What? He's a little explorer. Where is he? Where is he? Ah, here. Little explorer. So small. He's leaving. He's exploring another room.
He's so curious. No, nechoď tam.
No, on the treadmill. No, and he is lost. You finally found your place. Don't worry. Baby, don't be scared. He's still exploring. We have to leave him and let him explore, because he's so curious here. Scared and curious. No? You want to know what is upstairs, right? You want to know? You want to know what is upstairs? No, you don't want to know what is upstairs. You just want to be here? No. Yeah? Do you like it? Here? Oh, look at him. He's there. And here under the dresses. Huh? Ah, you like it. You like it. That's right. You're friends right now. You're friends. That's right, Rehos? Cranky? He's cute.
Yes. He is.
Hey. Who is here playing on my belly? What is your name, actually? I hope in 2 days, in another vlog, he will be named already. It's his second favorite place right there. Okay guys, so let's test the names. Pranky, Pranky, Pranky,
Nothing.
Nia, Jealous. Nothing. He was looking at the mirror. Just look. Pranky? No. Nia? No. Jehosh? Oh.
No, no.
Oh. Put him down, put him down. He's so cute. He's still exploring. He's still exploring. Oh, my socks. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope he will be happy with us. We will do everything for that. Yes?
Yes.
So I don't know what I filmed today. I was focusing on him because he was scared. So we tried to make him comfortable here. Now it seems he's much more happy. So thank you for watching. Be happy and choose. That's it. How small he was. He was so small. Now you are big. You are a huge kitty. Kitten. Boy. You are a boy. I know. Thank you so much for watching today's throwback. Tomorrow is a regular vlog, so I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Be happy. Choose.